Welcome to Closet Factory. I'm Doug Lestikow, owner and CEO, and for decades, we've been turning storage into so much more. It'd be my pleasure to show you around. Here in our world-class showroom, we have great examples of beautiful mudrooms, functional laundry rooms, wine rooms, entertainment centers, you name it. And every project we work on is designed right here in Colorado.
I'm Polly Lestikow, the owner of Closet Factory, along with my loving husband Mark and my dear son Doug. We are so proud of our professional design team of 30 people who work tirelessly to customize storage needs for each of your clients and for every project. We love that we can offer such beautiful finishes to our clients, whether it's plain melamine or custom painted or stained wood. In addition, we can customize drawer faces, but we have many that we keep in stock and can easily incorporate into our projects. One of the things that many people love is what I call gadgets. Gadgets for closets, gadgets for pantries, gadgets for all parts of the house. My favorite is our jewelry drawers. Every woman deserves this kind of a jewelry drawer. One drawer, lots of storage.
And this is where the real work gets done. Everything that we design and install gets manufactured right here in Colorado. In our manufacturing facility, our craftsmen work day in and day out to deliver excellent results for our clients. Everything we install, from drawers to countertops, are made right here. We combine state-of-the-art machinery and expert craftsmen to deliver excellent results. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.
We're proud to be part of the design community and the construction community in Colorado. Thank you again.